Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use Kling AI, a very easy to use AI generation and next generation AI creative studio. That you can create images from just prompts or create videos as well from basic prompts. Now we start by accessing Kling AI, and to access Kling AI, all you need is to come to your browser. You can just go ahead and search for klingai.com or just type in klingai.com and it will bring you over to this third platform. As you can see, these are AI images that you can generate, these AI videos that you can generate, and you can explore also from what other people have created. You can see these are wonderful ones that others have created. You can use it to have an inspiration, and as you hover over any of them, you'll be able to see the prompt that generated that particular video that you're seeing. In this case, it's in another language. I don't know which language this is, but you can scroll down and you can see some wonderful ones that you can see. This is also another language. This is English, and then this is also English. I kind of like this row where a robot walking down a busy street, and you can see the image and you can see the wonders of it. You can see any of them that you just try to hover over, you'll be able to see the prompts that generated this particular image. And this is also a video of a majestic night sitting in a vibrant field of poppies with flowers, okay? So you can just explore just to have an idea into what you are going to create or what kind of capability this AI tool has. Now to start, you have to of course log in, can sign up with your email address and password, and then you can go ahead and start. Now let's try to generate an AI image with this. And as usual, if you've used Leonardo AI or any similar AI tool, you should be able to be familiar with the prompting area, right? This is where you're typing your prompt, and this is just going to give you a hint of what to expect. And then these are the settings where you set in the aspect ratio and the generating count, how many videos or how many images are you interested in. You can vary the number from here directly, but at this stage, we're going to keep it at default. Let's go with 4, and of course, it's going to affect the number of units that you're going to use for each generation. Okay? So let's start with something very, very simple. Text to image, right? So let's say we have this prompt, I have this prompt, generate a high-quality image of a human swimming gracefully underwater in a crystal clear swimming pool. And then these are the detail. The person is wearing a bright swim cap and goggles, and these are many more details that I have just generated from the prompt I have. And then you can define the aspect ratio. You can go with 1:1 for Instagram, or 16:9 for maybe a YouTube or similar things, okay? So you can generate videos for YouTube, or if you want to go for maybe TikTok, you can go with 9:16. For this example, we'll go with 16:9. I will keep the generating count at 4. And then we can just go ahead and see generate, and you can see it just takes in 4 of the credit that we have of about 366. So you can just go ahead, see generate, and let's give it some seconds to generate what we're looking for. Now, while we're waiting for it to generate, let's go back and generate also from a text to a video. Let's try text to video. So for AI text to video, we can, AI video generation, we can click on this, and then it's going to bring us over here. And you can just go ahead and start. Let's say we're going to select the model from here. Let's say we're going to use Kling 2.5 image to video. We can just go ahead. But for this case, we'll try text to video first. So go to text to video, and then we'll paste in our text. As usual, this is to make a video of a giant monkey walking on a very busy highway during the daylight. The highway is filled with moving cars, trucks, and buses trying to navigate around the monkey. Okay, so let's have something like this. It's much more detailed. But then let's say we'll go with something like this. So these are hint, like we have explained earlier on. You can have this kind of hint. The creativity, you can increase it, but I would like to keep it at default at this point. The mode, I want to keep it as standard mode. And then the duration, we can go up to 10 seconds if you want to go up to 10 seconds, but I keep it at default to make it simple. Just for the demonstration purpose, you'll be able to see how many, what we can generate. And for video, it's quite expensive. It takes up to 20 credits if you want to generate a video. Now, if you go to with this and you set in the aspect ratio to maybe 16:9, or if you want to go with 9:16 for TikTok, or video shorts, or if you want to go for Instagram, like 1:1, which is 960:960, you can just go ahead and once you have everything set up, you can go ahead and see generate. Let's give you some seconds also to generate what we're looking for. So you can see the estimated time is 4 minutes. And let's give it some time to see what it is going to generate. And let's go back to our the image that it has generated. Of course, it has generated the image that we're looking for. The person is on that water. You can see only that it just gives us a small boy just wearing the goggles and it with the head cap. Okay, and you can see it is directly swimming on that water, and you can see the different variations that we have. It's actually swimming on in the swimming pool, and it's enjoying the moment. You can see it, and you can go ahead and you can thumbsuit this up or down, or you can download it very easily. You can see it just gets downloaded very easily. You can see with just one click I've downloaded it, and it's very, very good and to high quality. You can see very, very clear. Only that it carries the Kling AI logo, which you can remove at any time if you're interested. Okay, so it's really wonderful. You can see what it has generated for us. Very, very clean video image of this guy, depending on how sharp and how clear you give your prompt. And you can see over here, you can delete it or report something if you're interested. Okay, so this is the variations that we have. And it's really, really wonderful. You can look at it. Can bring this to life. If you want to make it move, you can make it move and give some further instructions, maybe generate the streaming. You know, this is now going to be from image to video. I guess it's possible to make it from video to image, from text to image, or from video, from image to video. All right, so let's check in the other one that we've generated. Okay, still generating, 2 minutes to go. Okay, so let's say we download this, and after this, we're going to bring it to life by setting it to swim, okay? So let's try to bring it to life by setting it to swim, actually. And let's see, this is now going to be like you're going from image to video. Yeah, this is it, image to video. You can define the starting point and the ending point. But let's keep it at default, and let's see what it is going to generate. So let's give it the prompts down here. Okay, let the boy swim in different directions. Then the motion, streaming settings, creativity, keep at default, 5 seconds, number of counts, everything. We keep at default. And then this is the navigating prompts. Let's keep everything at default and let's go ahead and generate something like this. And let's see how it is going to work. Let's give some seconds and see whether it is actually going to bring this guy to life, okay? And this is going to transform it from image to video like we've seen here. You can do this also if you want to go directly from image to video. If you have an image outside, you can of course import it and then give it some prompt, and it's going to change everything and bring it back to bring it to life. Right, so I think our video is ready. You can actually see it here. You can see, and you can see it's just going to download with just this simple click. And you can click over here to have it previewed if you want to actually preview it fully. You can see the clarity actually is what I want the most, the clarity and every detail of it we've captured. Okay? So this is really, really interesting, and you can actually go ahead and give it a try and see what you can use for your own content creation, what you can generate with this wonderful tool. That is available now. Kling AI, very, very wonderful and interesting. Please just go ahead and try. Let's just give you some seconds so we can see this last image, how it is coming to life, whether it's generating a video that will based on what we've instructed it to give us or not. Alright, as you can see, actually it has generated the video, and you can see the boy swimming, and it's actually swimming in different direction. As you can see, it's changing direction. This is very, very wonderful, and you can as well download it or you can favorite this if you are interested. Okay, so, but the whole idea is the fact that it generates exactly what we asked it to generate, and from image, it brought the image back to life, and this is really, really wonderful. So please go ahead, explore it, try it on your own, and see what you can use it to create on your own content creation journey. So this concludes this basic tutorial on how to use Kling AI to generate images and to generate videos as well from text and from images as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!